here from the Banannie Diaries. Let's film a get ready with me tutorial. Today is just going to be some skincare and makeup, and it's just going to be a very natural, simple look for the holidays. Let's get to it. I already applied this morning before I decided I was going to make this video for you, but this is the Bioma Clarifying Serum. Literally, this is a game changer. Like, my skin is so clear and I'm absolutely loving it. So this is definitely one of the products I highly recommend. Today's moisturizer is going to be from Coco Kind, another brand I absolutely love. This leaves my skin so soft, and I love the fresh scent that comes with this one. It says that it has a celery super seed complex, and I would absolutely say that that definitely contributes to the fresh scent that is in this lotion. But this moisturizer literally leaves my skin so soft and so hydrated. Highly recommend this one. I have like so many jars of this just laying around everywhere, so that way I can keep my skin nice and moisturized, especially during this very chilly weather. For today, I'm going to use the Keys. This is the 2-in-1 concealer in tint. I absolutely love this. 9 times out of 10, when someone compliments my makeup, this is what I'm wearing. I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie. This is probably my favorite natural looking bronzer from Kylie Cosmetics. You can see I used quite a bit of it. This one just gives a really nice glow. This is the shade Khaki. Because when I'm going for a more natural look, I don't like a really dark bronzer. I just like a nice light one. Simple. Complement that, one of my favorite blushes. This is called Pink Power. Again, one of the ones where you can definitely see the bottom, but I love it. Just a nice little pink. If you have been following me for a while, you know that this is one of my go-to palettes. I believe it is in a new packaging now. This is, I want to say, the original packaging. My favorite shade is Silk Teddy. I love to put this also in the corner of my eye just to brighten up a little bit. Simple. For my brows, I'm going to use this Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills, as well as this applicator that comes with it. So we're just gonna brush them into position first. I do really need to trim some of these crazy long ones though. Also, I found that with this one, it's clear. There's other ones I've tried that were not clear. They had almost like a white tint to them. A little bit of this goes a long way, so just be aware when you're applying this that you don't overdo it. But I love this one, like, honestly. I think this one's fantastic. Perfect. Mascara, this has been my go-to lately. Check out some of my past reviews because I opened a holiday beauty box from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I decided to treat myself and I bought this kit, which I don't even know the last time I bought like a massive makeup set, but this was one of my best decisions. I do think that it's sold out though, so I have it linked below where you can shop the products individually that were in the kit, but I'll check and see if they've restocked it. I just think this mascara has such a pretty finish. You can see how defined my lashes are now. My all-time favorite setting spray. This is by Honest Beauty. We're just gonna spray that and let that set in, but my makeup doesn't budge. The lip color, I had to join the Dibs beauty train. I have seen this everywhere. I know. I finally did it, and I have a new blog post that actually just went live about this. I love it. Yes, it's linked. I know I sound like a broken record, but I link everything for you. You can find a majority of it on my Like to Know It. There's also another account that I have links on called Obsessed with It. Every single link is in my bio. I know when you click on it, it's like a lot of different buttons, but I promise you, they're all in there. But I link it for you. That way, it's easy for you to find everything and shop it. This is such a pretty pink. It feels so soft on my lips, and it has just the right amount of pink that I was going for. Because again, I told you I wanted a really nice, simple holiday look for today. And I think that we have definitely achieved it. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very simple, quick video. And hit that subscribe button or follow me for more.